Hello everybody. Today we are going to fix a shoe. Look at that. Right, we have super glue, Loctite. Obviously this will cost you a bit less than going with the shoes to repair them at the shoe repairman, whatever. So you can do it yourself. DIY it.
DIY?
DIY it. So let's open the special super glue. Before you go any further, right? You need to clean the shoe here where you will apply the super glue. Make sure it's clean, it's not much dust. Obviously it doesn't need to be perfect, but it won't attach if it's dusty or is not cleaned properly. So let's open this. Right, it seems like this, it doesn't have a thing to open it, so I'll push this in like that, and then obviously you add it to it. So we have the shoe here, and what I'll do just by patches, like not the whole, because I will need to hold the whole shoe. So I'll start here. I'll add some, making sure it covers only where you need it, not on the leather. And then you press it and hold it there for a while.
For how long?
Well, up to the point where you see it's not like moving, it's not coming off. Pretty good. Good job, good job. Up to now. We'll see the finished product. Right, we apply a bit more here. Making sure you cover quite a bit. And you go like that. Keep pressing. See?
Why are you shaking it?
Because I want to see whether it's all right. Right. Should be like that. So I'll add more here. There you have it. Okay, pressed. Don't put your fingers on the super glue because it's gonna stick to your skin and it's a bit burning. Obviously some people will use gloves. I don't. See?
So you have sticky fingers?
Yes. Right. I need to push it a bit here, like that. Right, it's fine like that.
So do you need to use the whole glue thing?
No, you use as much as you have to, but I don't recommend to use the whole tub. Keep pressing that. And there you have it. Like new. Unbelievable, right? Well, super glue for you to fix
Your shoe.
It does rhyme. I hope this helps some people, because many will go to the shoe repairman shop, whatever. This is quite good. It holds in place. It's not doing like the birds. so after we finished fixing the shoe, we have to try it on. So let's try it on.
Oh, I love your socks, by the way.
You love them?
Oh my goodness me, look at those lips. The lips are kissing your feet.
Yes, exactly. It's a nice feeling. There you go. Like new, as I said, is a good thing. I'm not trying to advertise, but this is quite good. Super glue for your shoe. There you go. Thank you guys, thank you very much. I'll see you with a new video. Take care, bye bye, and stay safe. Bye. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll come with some more. But for now, thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye.